Hola and welcome to Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne. Today we're at La Siesta, just by the roundabout, just outside the Sabadell Bank, and we're looking at this brand new project going on. It's very exciting.
Apparently, according to the town hall, it's going to have the largest pump track in the world.
Pump track? What's
Pump
that?
track for bikes, BMX bikes.
Oh.
And it's going to be in 3 sections. It's going to be for children, it's going to be for intermediate, and for the more advanced stage.
Right.
And they're going to do it in 3 different colours so that you can tell which one you need to be on.
And it's massive, isn't it? What is it, 44,000 square metres?
That's for the whole area.
The whole area, but that's a whole redevelopment area, which is going to include petanque, tennis courts, dog walking things, even a dog activity
Going to be
thing.
a skating rink.
Skating rink? What, ice skating? How are they going to do that?
No, that'd melt.
Oh,
Roller
okay.
skating.
Roller skating, eh?
Yeah, so get your roller skates on.
Oh, okay, I wish I was 16 again.
Yeah, there's going to be little dogs and for big dogs, like an agility area. So that'll be good for dogs. There's going to be a picnic area, hockey.
Yeah, it's amazing.
The actual pump track is 4,200 square metres.
So that's the biggest in the world, 4,200 square metres.
According to the town hall.
According to Town Hall,
Yeah.
it's biggest in the world, isn't it?
Yeah.
Work started by the company Erdicon in January 2023. It has a total area of 44,000 square metres and an investment of €4.2 million, and it's for the enjoyment of the people of Torrevieja. The Mayor Eduardo Dolon has said the park will bring together a large multitude of sports courts, green and landscaped areas, as well as a great pump track for skateboards and BMX bicycles, which will have 3 well-defined areas: advanced pump track, medium level pump track and children's pump track. In addition, the redistribution of spaces stands out both for carrying out sports activities and for the enjoyment of walks for individuals and families who want to spend the day in the middle of nature. It will also have picnic areas for recreation and rest, as well as an amphitheatre with steps for various performances. In addition to the 3 pump track areas, La Siesta Park will have an agility area for both large and small dogs, a large central area that divides the park with 2 circular plazas, skating circuits, children's games, basketball, petanque and paddle tennis courts. Anyway, on that note, I think it's time to wrap the video up. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video, please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1,
Bing!
Adios!